In ready-to-eat meal kit assembly, speed and hygiene are everything. NCC's blue washdown modular belt conveyor moves trays smoothly from prep to pack, built for food safety from the frame up. Trays arrive to the pack station where your team places cheese, crackers, and lunch meats into their sections. Fast, ergonomic, consistent. What's unique? Our conveyor includes pack station supports with angled product bins, so fresh ingredients are right where assemblers need them. Less reach, more throughput. And cleanup is simple. Raise the belt lifter for full washdown access. Quick, thorough sanitation with minimal downtime. After sealing, trays index to the white NCC stop guide for efficient manual case packing. A reliable handoff point for your team. Ready to automate case packing? As part of the Paxiom Group, NCC integrates the PKR Delta compact robotic pick and place to load meal kits into cases at your desired patterns. Small footprint, big productivity. NCC's meal kit conveying hygienic, ergonomic, and built to scale. Inquire at info@nccas.com today.